How you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookreadyfood.com. All I'm in today, I'm going to make baked beans with pork, serving this with some toast and some eggs. It's absolutely delicious. Kind of just bulks out the baked beans. You can do this with sausage or with bacon or something like that. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. So one regular size can, that kind of size can of baked beans. I like to use Heinz, up to you. Here I've got some pork, nice and chunky, no bone in there, a little bit of fat. If you want, you could be making this with bacon, onion, tomato, garlic, and then here I've got a few spices, like a teaspoon each of paprika, chili powder, oregano, and cumin. Really, really simple. Okay, so I've got a skillet or a pan here. I've got a little bit of oil in there. I'm using olive oil. And as you can see, this pork that I've got is quite chunky. Cut it smaller if you want. We're going to go on a medium heat for about 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. So, nice bit of colour on there. It's not cooked all the way through yet. What we're going to do is add our onion, a little bit of chopped garlic, some salt, and some black pepper. And then stay on this medium heat for about another 4 minutes. Fabulous stuff. We're now going to just put in that little bit of tomato. We're going to add the spices. Let's just have one more look, shall we? So I've got equal parts, like a teaspoon each, oregano, cumin, chili, and sweet paprika. To that, I'm going to add a little splash of water, not too much. And turn the heat up now and go for about another 5 minutes. Hopefully those tomatoes will break down a little bit. And those tomatoes have broken down really nicely with that little touch of water. Time for the star of the show, 1 can of baked beans in there. Stay on a nice lowish heat, let this go for about 3 minutes and it's ready to go. Beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Just serving that with a couple of fried eggs and some toast. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, check out the social media. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.